Alright, so here's a very quick tutorial on how to use the proximity key on your 2022 Toyota Corolla. So I have in my hand here the keys to the Corolla. So as you can see, it's a smart key. And you have lock, unlock, as well as a panic button over here. It's got this nice design on the back. So all you gotta do in order to use this, put your key in your pocket. Then if your vehicle is locked, to unlock the door, all you gotta do is just put your hand in behind the handle. As you can see, it unlocks. So now you're able to open the door. Now if you wish to lock the vehicle without touching anything, all you gotta do is, you see these two lines right over here, just hit the button. As you can see, the vehicle will lock. The same procedure will apply to the passenger side door handle as well. As you can see, all you gotta do is just reach in. As you can see, it unlocks the vehicle. And then to lock the vehicle, all you gotta do is just push this little button over here. Boom, just like that, the vehicle is locked. Now for the rear hatch, it's very similar. As you can see in this part over here, all you gotta do is just touch this. There is a button over here on this side. All you gotta do is push that, and then the vehicle will unlock. In order to open the hatch, all you gotta do is just pull this. As you can see, the hatch will open up. Here were those two buttons I was talking about. This is for unlocking and locking the vehicle, and this is for opening the hatch. So you can see, pushing the button will cause the actuator to move. And with that, thank you guys for watching. That is a very quick tutorial on how to use the proximity key in your 2022 Toyota Corolla. Thanks for watching, guys.